Hey, InstaFam! Welcome to AnHome Channel, where we bring clarity to your social media queries. Today, we're focusing on how to showcase your favorite moments with Instagram highlights. Stay tuned to learn how to curate your best stories into a highlight reel. Let's get your Instagram highlights rolling. Step 1. Launch the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon. Step 2. Below your bio, you'll see the Highlights section. Tap the new circle with a plus sign. Step 3. Scroll through your past stories and select the ones you want to feature in your highlight. Step 4. Once you've made your selection, tap Next. Step 5. Give your new highlight a name and adjust the cover image to your liking. Step 6. Tap Add or Done to publish your highlight to your profile, and there you have it. Your Instagram highlight is now live for all your followers to see. Remember, you can add more stories to your highlights at any time, so keep updating them with your latest adventures. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Catch you on the flip side. Thanks for watching, folks.